In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine splash shield on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go around removing the bolts for the splash shield. There should be one more located right here. Ours is missing. Remove the splash shield. There should be one more bolt located right here. Ours is missing. Then remove the splash shield. Install the engine splash shield. Make sure that it tucks up into the front bumper. Install the splash guard bracket and get the bolt started. Go around and snug the bolts down. Go around and snug the bolts down. And if you have the two bolts for here, go ahead and install those now.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.